All right, so this is part 3, okay? I'm doing a lot of stuff all at one time. I ordered my cartridge for that thing. This thing, okay. And it's gonna cost me like $36. It's the P-51-3, which is a 3 mil cartridge and needle, specifically made for 78 records. So my only other issue is, will the amplifier be able to pull? It's a low, not low, but maybe medium output. That's the one I've been using for these things, and they seem to work pretty good, so we'll see. And then for this, okay, I'm going to cut a piece off of this and just put it in there. We don't want that burnt mark on there. I already took it out of here. I had to, there's a clip here and here. I had to cut it off. I'm not sure. I'm going to probably rivet the new one, this one, and that's what I'm going to do. And then the light bulb, I went and got a LED light, okay? I couldn't find the light bulb itself, but it is 120 volts and it'll fit right into that socket, and that should be good. And then I can go ahead and it won't burn the this thing, okay? So yeah, I went to the dollar store. I was going to pick one of these up, and I couldn't find. My wife happened to have one of these. It's a lid to one of these containers that I got over there. So anyway, this. Oh no! Don't break. It's because I'm going to use. I'll go ahead and use this old bulb, and this thing, and make use out of it, I guess. It is what it is. I couldn't find the bulb by itself. I went to Walmart. I didn't go to Home Depot or Lowe's. I should have, but I didn't. So anyway, this is part 3. Yeah, let's get this thing started, and I'll install it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, got her done. Had to grind the rivets off of this, okay? That's okay. And I put 2 little screws instead of rivets because I didn't want to crack this. Seems to be brittle when I cut it. Yeah. Anyway, that works. And I went to put the bulb in, and it's clear, and it left like a weird pattern. So I ended up painting the bulb white, very, very lightly. It dried right away. And there's still a pattern there, but it's not bad. So I'm going to live with it. It's not too bad. And so yeah, that works. You know, the funny thing is, I put this bulb back in, and I had this tube out. And when I put this bulb back in and turned it on, I forgot I had the tube out, and it blew up the bulb. I don't know if that's why it blew it up, but it did blow it up. So make sure when you try a bulb, put this back on. I don't know if it gave it more voltage or it was just coincidence. So anyway, I'll live with this. It's not bad. Okay, I'll need to turn it off because there's nothing connected. The speaker's not connected. All right, my next project, and I've got all the schematics underneath, and I'll show you. Let me turn the thing around. On the schematic, it says these are supposed to be 15 and they're 20. This is a 20, that's a 20, and that's a 40, and that's correct. So I got to order some capacitors. Now, might take a week. Like I say, my cartridge is going to take a week. So I'm going to go ahead and order some capacitors. I've got some of these. I got to see which ones I need before I start ordering, because I do have a bunch of capacitors here and a whole bunch in there as well. So I got to take these out and see what I need, and then we'll take it from there. So it may be another week, but of course video magic will be instantly. So next video will be about exchanging these out. All right, so before I continue, I'm going to change this out because it's cracked in different places. I just have to disconnect it here and over here, which you can't see, but yes, it's right there, this black one. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to change the extension. I've got one here. I've got an extension cord. It's too long, but I'll have to cut it, and that's what I'm going to use for this thing. I don't have another one of these little puppies, so I'm just going to run it through it. The hole's about the size of my new cord, so sorry about the mess, but that's how it is when you work on these things. You know what's interesting is I had this inside the chassis, okay? And I couldn't read the value. So I asked ChatGPT what 304519 is in a Philco Bing Crosby 461201 unit. They come back and said, oh, it's a 0.01. So I got out my 0.01 ready to install. I take it out, and then I find out it's 0.05. Isn't that crazy? So I didn't have a 0.05, but I did have a 0.047, which is pretty much equivalent to 0.05. It's a 0.05, and this is what this is. Oops, right here, 473. Yeah. So yeah, you never don't mind the welds. I had to. This one was used before because I had it in another radio, and I had to cut it off because the radio went bad totally, and I just threw it out. I was pissed off. So I cut the capacitors I had installed in it, and yeah. So anyway, I'm getting there. I'm replacing all the ones I do have. This is a 0.2. This is a 0.2. I'll have to order it. I'm not sure what this is down here. I'll have to look that up. It looks similar to this one, but anyway, that's where I'm at. And yeah, life goes on. And you got to watch these wires here. A lot of them were touching things and getting hot, so you really got to watch that stuff. All right, so I've got as many capacitors as I have in stock installed, so let's just try it with what I've got. I've got it plugged in with the new cord. It's I'm not sure if it's the left or the right. I'm not sure. Let's try this way. Let's see. I hooked up the speaker real quick. I hooked up a Mickey Mouse antenna. Let's see if it still works. I don't see any smoke. That's a good thing. Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, they lost 3 in a row. When the phones, give us a call. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we're going to talk about your money in the bank as well.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
All right, so this will be the end of part 3 until I get more capacitors, until I get everything installed. I'll probably start on the unit itself, cleaning that up, but yeah, and this is, don't like these schematics at all, because what they do, they give you numbers, okay? Like this. These are numbers. Well, you go find those numbers, you can't. There's no numbers. Well, there is on this one. But like I was looking for 31 on here, and 31 is nowhere to be found on this page. There's 39, 40, 41. And the other pages, I looked over here too. It goes up to 20, and then that's for the capacitors, and that's all I can look for. So they put this away, and then you've got other numbers, which are like the C104, and those are correct, but I don't have a picture. Oh, here I do have a picture for some of them. See the C104. C101, but it's kind of, you got to go through all these stupid pages just to find what you're looking for. I wish I could find a schematic with just give me everything all on one. So anyway, that's my bitch for today. So anyway, this is the end of part 1. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see part 4, and it's going to come together soon enough after I get all the parts.
Bing, it's me, I'm here. gate light is out and your porch light is out. I could have gotten killed. Weren't you expecting me?
Yes. But come on in, I suppose.
Hey, I can't thank you enough for putting me up while my place is being redecorated.
Oh, tut, my boy. Think nothing of it. What are friends are for? Less for you to sponge off of.
Well, I hope I'm not putting you out. I'm just here for 3 or 4 days.
3 or 4 days. I made out a lease for a week.
A lease?
Mm-hmm.
Success hasn't changed him.